Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another instant noodle recipe time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that was sent by the kind folks over at Sapporo Ichiban. Thank you very much. Sapporo Ichiban is actually a brand of Sanyo Foods Corporation. And this is not the Japanese one, but the one here in the US, down in Garden Grove. I think it's Garden Grove. Anyway, check it out. It's, what's his name? He's the Iron Chef guy. It's not Momosan. That's not his name. It's not Momofuku. Oh, I don't know. But he's famous and he's well known, and that's all good. It's, oh, it says product of Japan. So, this is made in Japan. That's cool. Morimoto. Thank you, brain. So it's 450 mils of water for 3 minutes with occasional stirring. And what I found out... Oh, and by the way, this is their Tokyo chicken flavor. What I found out, though, is don't want to leave this stuff at like an ultra high boil, like I usually tend to leave most things. But down and 3 minutes. Hello, I'm dropping things. It's all right. All is well. Nobody's going to die. So yeah, I'm just all that. Woo! We got out of the house today, so it's kind of crazy. We actually, is this working? Yeah. We actually got in the car and the snow was gone enough to let us go places, which was really good because we needed to go places. Actually. But yeah, it's just like, it's a mess out there. And I'm looking across at the roof across the way. It almost looks like there's maybe a couple inches of snow less, because it's angled, right? So it kind of looks like it kind of slides off as it thaws and dries and melts. But I don't know. I really don't think there's more than like a couple inches, and it's a long roof, so we'll see. I'd just like it all to go away. Tomorrow's Thursday, and it's well, no, Miles goes to school every day except for Wednesday, and today's Wednesday. But Thursday's his last full school day of the week, which would mean if it was, well, he's not going tomorrow, I guarantee it. They'll have a 2-hour late start, which means that even if he has morning and afternoon class, they just cancel everything that's like what he does. So that's kind of a bummer, but I guess that just seems logical to them. Friday might be a possibility. My wife is working from home today because her office still doesn't have power. This was a big storm. And it was kind of a trip as we drove over to Shoreline. And looks like they got a lot of snow. But the roads, for the most part, are clear. The side roads, though, yeah. But we'll see. I hope he gets to go to school because I think he's really bored. And what sucks and is totally stupid timing, guess what next week is? Midwinter break. I don't know. I would kind of call what he just had a midwinter break if you ask me, but all right. So that was 3 minutes. And here's what our noodles look like. So yeah, this is the Tokyo chicken variety. I'm going to put, this is the powdery side of the deal. And they were kind enough to send a whole bunch of these. They were saying, hey, maybe you could do a giveaway on the ones that you don't plan on using. And you know, if you're really, really nice to me, I'll be more than happy if you pay for the shipping and buy a shipping label, and I have enough stuff to do it. I'll send you a box of noodles. But basically, you would have to go onto the U.S. Postal Service website. This smells good. And go on there and then buy a shipping label, but buy it saying that you're shipping something from my address to your address. And if you don't do that, there's nothing I can do for you. That's the only way to do it, because if you ship it the other way around, they're gonna be like, no. No. But there we go. You might see some chaos and insanity around here. Our dishwasher died, and they're fixing it today. They're actually replacing it. Right over there, there's like a big gaping wound in our kitchen area. So this looks a lot... Wow, there is a lot of fatty bead on the top of this broth. Let's first try these noodles. Yeah, if you don't cook this stuff at like on high, you get a good amount of broth. If you do though, these noodles just suck it all up really quick. Wow. That's not bad. Check that out. I don't know if you can see it, but definitely has a lot of That's good. That's like if you boiled chicken for a really long time, you might get something fun like that. All right. Bowl. Let's try this. Wow. Normally bowl doesn't do that. There we go. Sometimes this tripod is really nice, and sometimes it's the biggest pain in the ass of all time. But right now it's being really nice, so I appreciate that tripod. Okay, so we got some super fresh, brand new from our Safeway store down the street, mung bean sprouts. They're Salad Cosmos. They were in today. I am stoked, thank God. As for our chicken, I baked this earlier, and it's freaking good. You like it. You know you would if you were lucky enough to be able to eat it. Check that out. Yeah. Okay, so I baked chicken with two things on it. This stuff, it's called pepper salt, and it comes from Neo Essence of Taiwan. Freaking wonderful stuff. I mean, maybe I'll be able to figure out how to just put a link to it, because this is really good. And the other thing is, I use this stuff and I swear by it. This is Nutec Salt for Life, and it has what is it? It's fat free. But what does it say here? Usually a regular table salt has 500 milligrams of sodium per quarter teaspoon. This stuff has 140 milligrams of sodium per quarter teaspoon. So that's like 360 calories, or not calories, milligrams of sodium less. That's a big amount. Not only that, they use potassium chloride in this, so you get potassium. So it's like you're eating a banana, but it's making things salty at the same time. But yeah, those two things together, you get this really nice going on. If you really want to be creative, you sous vide it and you really tenderize the heck out of a chicken, like a big chicken breast. Stab the hell out of it, cut it all up, be just totally mean to that piece of chicken, and then just dump a bunch of both of those things on it and just massage it for a little bit, and then sous vide it. It gets marbly. It's really neat. Okay, so what are we doing next? Without the egg, I'm hoping if I'm embarrassed by my egg, I'm gonna be so unhappy, but here we go. No, I don't want an egg embarrassment, folks. That's not bad. All right. Now we gotta work the ultra magic. I was using the wrong pot when I did these. There you go, that's a little better. Might not be the prettiest soft egg, but it's delicious. And then let's put a little bit of spring onion right there. And just for this special occasion, because I don't use them much, some black sesame seed, and I think we're going to call it a day on that. Yeah. So there's your ramen noodles. I love it when people call them ramen noodles. There's nothing better. Nothing better. Like the top ramen. Or ramen. Top ramen. That's what's cooking for dinner. Alright, let's find some good rotation music. Alrighty, righty, right. Aw, come on. Here we go. You know, this piece is just too big. Alright. This has been Hobbs the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Thanks to Sapporo Ichiban for shooting these over. Good stuff. Get it if you can find it. Have a good one. Bye.